Today we're going to be creating our signs of courage. You're going to take your paper, you're going to make it tall or vertical. You're going to write your name and your class code. Then you are going to create 2 boxes. Make them pretty large. These are going to be your 2 practice papers. You're going to do 2 wavy lines. They do not need to be exactly the same. You want at least 3 finger spaces between them when we go to the front. And you're going to be picking one of the courage statements to write. Make sure you leave spaces between your letters, and make sure your letters go from the top to the bottom of those lines. They should fill the space, even though some letters will be larger than others, and some might even look like they are getting smushed. Make sure you're able to fit your whole words. Now, sometimes, depending on your statement or how you space your letters, you may have to have a word go from one line to the next line. So let me show you how that will look. So for this one, I'm doing I can be courageous, but I can't fit the whole word courageous. So I just start the rest of the word on the bottom line. Once you finish, you're going to pick up your paint marker and you're going to start your final copy on the front. Now, once you start, you cannot erase these paint markers. Remember, do not shake, do not squeeze, do not slam. Make sure they're at least 3 finger spaces away from each other. As you start your words, you want to make sure that your letters are nice and thick so you can see the difference between your letters and your line. Make sure your messy mat is underneath so it can catch any paint marker that goes off the paper. And continue writing the rest of your word. Go slow so you make sure you spell everything correctly. Let's see how it looks when I do I can be courageous. There we have our courage statements.